How to install Python Anaconda on a Mac, on MacBook Air. That's what I'm installing. How to install Anaconda on a Mac computer. So go to the website called anaconda.com. So click on get started. See all products, and we go to individual, learn more, and then click on download. That will take you to this part where you can choose download for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I'm using Mac OS, so I'll be downloading that one there. 3.7 version is available at the moment. So 64-bit referral installation. So once it's downloaded, download started. So once it's downloaded, I have already downloaded, as you can see. So once it's done, click on that package. It will take you here. Click continue. Then just click on continue. Readme file if you want to read. License, continue. Click on agree. Installation type, and you can choose the installation location. You're gonna click install and put your password in and click continue. It should install Python. It might take Anaconda IDE. It might take some time depending on how fast your computer is. It might take some time. It does take some time installing Anaconda in the computer. I'll go back to Anaconda while we wait for download. Navigator. My computer is running in like full force. I can hear the fans. It's working hard. Let's click continue. Go back. Yeah, continue. And then continue. Move to trash. So I'm gonna put it in the dock. Yeah. Let's open Anaconda. So here it is. We'll click OK and don't show again. So there we go. We'll be working on Anaconda navigator. You will be, if you are directed here, if you open that for the first time, you'll be directed here. So we'll get launch spider. There we go. So check for updates here. Okay. So when you first open, I had kite, but we'll close that for now. when you first open up the console Spider, you'll see on the left hand side this is a file editor, and on the right and the bottom you have Python console, and on the top here you have variables, explorer, help, and files options. It's really useful when you work on this Spider. This will be really useful when you're debugging large programs. So what we are using is Python 3.7.6 at this time, and this console can run small lines of codes. For example, 7 plus 7 will get an output of 14, or if you say 10 divided by 2 will get an output of 5. Okay, so let's open a new file, and as you can see it's untitled .0.py. Let's write print print code with MD, and here it says it's a function of Python, and these are the arguments this function takes. So when you're writing a code, it will tell you what argument can go in here. Let's save this file. Let's call it code with MD. And then if you see in this drop down menu, all these languages will be supported. Anyway, we'll save this as a supported text file. Okay, and then let's run this program. Then click on the run button here, and as you can see the code is running on the right hand side in this console. It says and printed out code with MD. So the Python file we created here and printed out, or this is the output of that file here. Let's say, for example, type in 1 plus 1. If we run, as you can see there is no output. Doesn't mean it don't understand, but if you want to print it out, you have to put print and open and close parentheses. Then if you run that now, see that you get the answers 1 plus 1 equal to 2 in this terminal. So you can save them in a file and you can debug them using a debugger. So this is a very short introduction to Python Spider, and this is the console. Showed you how to create a file, how to print and where it prints, and we also managed to run some codes in this temporary file. Okay. So let's go to the console. Let's say we created a file. It's called code with md.py. We'll use the console email cs space .py code with md.py. That's the file we created. You press enter, and what happens is, let's run this program. So to run in this console, so escape. Close the terminal. We'll open this up again. So to run it, run the file in console, you have to type in Python, then the file name code with .py, and then press enter. Can't find the file. But anyway, this is not how we're gonna do the coding. We'll be using the IDE, not the terminal. We'll be using the Spider IDE. Let's check what version I'm using. Python version 3.7.6. Okay, that's good. Menu,